Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the third tutorial in the series of tutorials on CSS. In this tutorial we are going to talk about child selectors in CSS. So as you can see, I have a file opened up in my text editor notepad++. It's called child_selectors.html, and in this document I have the HTML tag on line number 1 and the closing HTML tag on line number 14, and then I have the head section and the body section. So again, I want you to take a look at the style rule that I have on line number 5. This time I have mentioned the word body and then a greater than symbol, or is it the lesson? It's actually the greater than symbol, and then the element P, which as I said in the last tutorial stands for paragraph, and then my rule is I want to change the color of the text to orange, right? So color is the property. I put in a colon, give a space, type in orange, which is the value, and then I put a semicolon to terminate the style rule, and that's all I have in the style section. And then in the body section I have a simple paragraph on line number 9, the opening paragraph tag as well as the closing paragraph tags. Both the tags are on the same line, and in between I have the text paragraph 1. And then on line number 10 I have an opening div tag. On line number 12 I have the corresponding closing div tag, and in between the div tags I have another paragraph that has the text paragraph 2. So I'm not setting the class of any paragraph, but this is the feature that we have to check out. The style rule, what's unique about it is that this rule is only going to apply to those paragraphs that are immediately inside the body tag, right? So in this section, the section between line number 8 and line number 13, I have only one paragraph that is immediately under the body section, right? So that's the paragraph on line number 9. This paragraph on line number 11 is actually a child of the div tag, right? It's not a child of the body tag, it's a child of the div tag. So this rule is not going to apply to it. It's only going to apply to the paragraph on line number 9. So I'll save the file, go to the folder in which I have it. The name of the file is child_selectors. I open it in my browser to see that the first paragraph, which had the text paragraph 1, has been displayed in orange, whereas the second paragraph, which had the text paragraph 2, is displayed in black. So that's what child selectors in CSS are. And I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video, in which we'll explore another interesting feature of CSS, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.